Hello
actually
guys, I'm gonna be playing Animal Company, and we're going to the maze today. I've been playing for a long time. He's here because I decided to bring him back from the Devil's Roulette.
It's
Dizzy.
I, Dizzy Devil. Wait!
And we're going to maze. So let's go.
Wait up.
Cheese. 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 My bad. My bad.
Help.
What happened?
I'm on a landmine, I can't. Help.
Alright, I'm coming. Where? Oh. Huh. Huh. Alright, don't step on a landmine. Follow me.
Okay.
As he. Oh. You're an idiot. You really.
I'm still sort of
let's
new.
go.
Don't judge
Let's go.
me.
Let's go.
No, I didn't. You're right behind me.
Oh, I kind of broke the ogre. I made him die and then respawn while he's dead. Hey, look at this. Ready? Come here.
Me just scared.
We have to go on these fans, and if you don't make it, you have to do the parkour. Hurry up. Alright, now we have to go in here. There's an egg somewhere in the
What is
maze that's
this?
worth $3,000. That's a
What is
sticker gun.
this?
That's a sticker gun.
Okay.
Alright, the chickens. So don't click on any red buttons. That's how you summon every entity and bring them towards you. Alright, follow me.
That button?
Yeah, follow me.
Where? I lost you. Yeah?
That's the whole point of the sticker guns. To
Help.
make sure. Alright. Come
I
here.
lost you.
I'm literally around the corner.
Oh.
Alright. Okay, so by the way, if you hear an entity, hide in the bushes immediately. So I'm just gonna give you a little example. Now get in that bush. Get in the bush. Get in the bush. Did you die?
I'm still standing. Better than
Oh my god, you made it to a bush. You made it to a bush. Good. Now?
like this? Ow!
Okay, so, yeah. That's what red buttons do. If you hear him, please go into the nearest bush or you will die. Unless you literally slaughter him with piñata bats.
You could slaughter him?
Well, sort of. I'm gonna click on another
Alright,
red
let's
button
try
just to give
killing
you
him.
another example. We're gonna try He should be here any second though. He's right over there. Yay! Don't
Wait, dude.
Yeah.
Dude.
We just summoned him. We already killed
And I
him.
did it again.
Alright, follow me. The egg's all the way at the end of the maze, so we have to go
For a
deep.
penny, you're kidding.
What?
Let's go.
Jeez. Ah! I'm going flying. I'm just going like this, and I'm flying.
Do you know the way in the maze?
It changes like every Tuesday. How am I supposed to know? And that's a dead end. That's also a dead end.
Help! Help!
And and over
I
here.
hear it.
We have to go over here now.
I heard it.
Alright, follow me.
I lost you.
I hear you, so follow my voice. There it is. The exit right underneath him. So he can fly. Got the egg. That thing's worth $3,000. All right, now we have to escape. So let's get out of here. Because as soon as because its egg is missing, it will be active as soon as it respawns. All right, now we gotta get out for real. Oh, it's a metal. You can take the metal pipe if you want to.
No.
All right, well, let's go this way.
Dead end.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna have to take the way we came.
I'm scared. I hear it.
Nah, it's probably nothing. It's probably nothing. Watch it just respawn on me. I called it. I called it. All right, now we come over here. Hey, stop hitting me. Very nice of you. I almost died. Now follow me.
I lost you. No, I didn't.
I hear you. And I feel like we're getting closer to the entrance.
I lost you.
Again? Oh my god. How?
Wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec.
You're just gonna click every red button you see?
Yes.
I'm gonna die. That's how much red buttons you've clicked.
I lost you.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, give me a sec. Give me a sec.
Okay, follow me. Of course. Of course. Hey, buddy.
Nope. Oopsie.
Oopsies. Yeah, sure.
Oh, another red button. Give me a sec.
Just come here.
No. Okay.
It's like a
Where'd you
billion of
go?
them. Stop clicking the red buttons. They're bad
I
for
lost
you.
you.
Stop losing me. How? How? How do you keep losing me? I remember this part. I remember this part. You have to go over here.
Give me a sec.
I think I just went in a loop. I just did a loop.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
Hi?
I pressed the button.
Yeah, follow me now. It's probably nothing. I hear a
Oh.
pogo stick. Why is there a pogo stick?
Is that the only entity?
Sometimes haunted house. Sometimes old lady will be here.
Oh.
I swear we've been over here.
You're too fast. I hear it.
Get in the bush over here. Get in that bush. I'm checking my map right now. He's not nearby. He's nearby. You know what? I got this. I'm just gonna summon him. Who cares? He's not scary. Just a little chicken. It's just a. It's not like his name is Meat Shredder or anything.
A fact.
Alright, follow me.
Hey, I have a question.
Yeah.
Is
the question how do we get out of here?
No. Can you stand still real quick?
What are you gonna do?
Press the button.
Oh. It's dead though. Wait, treasure?
Dude,
What?
help.
It's like metal pipe. Why?
Where are you? No, I'm not even joking. I'm near the animal.
I'm right here. Oh! Wait, so we're on the wrong side of the maze.
What if we?
Let's try killing
Follow
it
me,
again.
follow me, follow me. We have to go back. This is the way we took.
Dude.
I got you. I got you.
Die!
Yay. Alright, follow me.
Dude, I just almost died.
I'm just gonna explore myself.
The maze is my least favorite place. It's my least favorite place to be. Although you can get a lot of
Why'd
money
you list
from it.
this number 1?
Although you can get a lot of money from it, like it's still a dangerous place. Not as dangerous as Haunted House, but somewhere on that level. Alright,
Where are
hold
you?
up. I gotta go.
You got what?
We're gonna end this. Just save and quit the game. Bye.